Hello, I'm Chris Linsbeck, the Community Services Director for Hernando County. I'll be discussing the needs of our local parks, future projects, and the half-cent sales tax. I'm out here at Anderson Snow Park. It is one of Hernando County's premier sports and recreational complexes. It's home to 6 full-size lighted soccer fields, 8 baseball softball fields, bicycle trails, pavilions, restrooms, and picnic shelters. It also contains the infrastructure to support leagues and teams, including concession buildings, press boxes, and a clubhouse. We have over 3,650 players every year. In addition, Anderson Snow hosts numerous community events throughout the year. The current master development plan for the park includes the development of a 6,000 square foot splash park to be centrally located within the park. A recreation center or multi-purpose gymnasium is also part of the future improvements to the park. Lastly, the community is in need of additional multi-use athletic fields that Anderson Snow can accommodate in the northeastern side of the park. It's an exciting time for Hernando County. The recreational needs of the county have been rapidly expanding over the last few years. The Parks and Recreation Department looks forward to meeting the needs of the citizens in this community. Thank you very much for watching this video.